Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make Jhal Murmure. So first of all I'll show you the ingredients what I'm going to use. That is, I've taken 1 packet of muri. You can see muri, murmura. I've taken onions cut up. You can see the onions chopped up fine. I've taken some dal moat, fried peas. This is fried up, nice and crisp. Some chana, roasted chana. 2 boiled potatoes cut up into small pieces. 2 green chilies cut up. 1 tomato, small tomato cut up. Half lime. Some chili powder. Salt to taste. Mustard oil. So come on, let us start the making of Jhal Murmure. Put the muri in the container. Now one by one I will put all the ingredients. Put the salt to taste, little bit of salt to taste. Put in some mustard oil. And mix the Jhal Murmure well. Mix the Jhal Murmure nicely. Put some chili powder. The Jhal Murmure is mixed up well. Now I will put some lime. And mix it again. The Jhal Murmure is mixed up well. The Jhal Murmure is ready to be eaten. How nice it's looking. You can have it in the evenings. Children also love to eat Jhal Murmure. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share, comment. Thank you for watching my video.